Okay, my friends, so what you see in front of you is the powerful ultimate high-low dashboard, which highs and lows, previous highs and lows are key areas that professional traders look at when looking for trading opportunities. For intraday trading, the previous daily highs and previous daily lows are key areas to pay attention to for possible breakouts and possible reversals. Also for weekly swing traders, the previous highs of the previous week and the previous lows of the previous week are also key areas for the traders will look at, and longer term traders will look at the monthly highs and monthly lows. So what the ultimate high-low dashboard does, it actually shows you the distance from these areas, and it alerts you by flashing and changing color when it is approaching or at those levels. Okay, so what I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to benefit from it. Okay, it's a pretty simple dashboard, but super powerful. So what you want to be doing here is, if you want to be alerted 20 pips when prices within 20 pips of the previous daily low or previous weekly low, you'll just insert the pip value here, and when it's approaching that level, it will start flashing, indicating to you that you are approaching that level. Also, the distance that it stops flashing. Also, now if you want to do it, that's when it's 20 pips above it. If you want to go 20 pips below, you'll just simply hit -20, and it will start alerting you within 20 pips when it's coming up to the level. Okay, it's got the template feature here. Okay, where you can just click through and it will open up the chart of your choosing when you are within the daily highs and daily lows. Okay, it's very powerful for breakout traders, reversal traders. Like I said, you can use it in conjunction with the SR Pro dashboard that you just purchased, with the MACD divergence dashboard. By simply, when either for breakouts, you can take a hidden divergence, reversal or continuation divergence when price is breaking out of the previous daily high, or you can take a classic reversal divergence when price is at the daily high. If you're a reversal trader, they can all line up with your SR Pro levels, and you can use the free MACD divergence dashboard that you get for signal entries. It's a very powerful dashboard, saves you a lot of time, and you can instantly see where you are in the market, see where the strongest pairs are, line you up for great breakout trades and great reversal trades, using in conjunction with the SR Pro dashboard and the MACD divergence dashboard. Okay, so if you want to access this in the bundle, just simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com.